Welcome to Bike Zone, your go-to destination for everything motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Kawasaki KX500, a bike that has been generating a lot of buzz in the motocross world. Known for its raw power and agility, the KX500 is back, and it's ready to take on the toughest tracks. So, let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 stand out from the competition. A legendary comeback, the 2025 KX500 Kawasaki is bringing back one of its most iconic motocross bikes with the 2025 KX500. First introduced in the 1980s, the KX500 made a name for itself as one of the most powerful two-stroke dirt bikes ever produced. Fast forward to 2025, and Kawasaki has decided to revitalize the KX500, combining the legendary two-stroke engine with modern technology, performance upgrades, and a fresh design. For dirt bike enthusiasts and collectors alike, this comeback is a momentous occasion. The 2025 KX500 promises to deliver the same exhilarating power and precision that made the original KX500 famous, but with updated features to meet the demands of today's riders. Design and aesthetic. One of the most noticeable improvements in the 2025 KX500 is its redesigned chassis. Kawasaki has worked hard to reduce the overall weight of the bike, making it more agile and easier to handle in various riding conditions. The aluminum perimeter frame is lightweight yet incredibly durable, offering a perfect balance between strength and flexibility. Ergonomically, the bike is designed for comfort and control. The seat is designed to keep riders in a natural riding position, while the handlebars and foot pegs are positioned to give riders excellent control over the bike. This makes the 2025 KX500 ideal for aggressive riders who demand both comfort and performance on long rides and intense races. Powerful two-stroke engine. At the heart of the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is its powerful 499cc two-stroke engine. This engine is an absolute powerhouse, delivering explosive acceleration and top-end speed that few bikes in its class can match. While modern motocross bikes tend to favor four-stroke engines for their reliability and ease of maintenance, the KX500 sticks to the two-stroke tradition, offering raw, unfiltered power. The two-stroke engine in the KX500 is known for its lightweight design and simplicity, giving riders a responsive and thrilling ride. With a broad power band and exceptional throttle response, this bike is built for riders who want to feel the rush of speed and power on every twist of the throttle. Revamped suspension and handling. Kawasaki hasn't just focused on the engine. The suspension and handling of the 2025 KX500 have been updated to meet the demands of modern motocross. The bike features an upgraded Showa suspension system with a 49mm inverted fork in the front and a rear shock that offers increased adjustability and improved damping. The revised suspension setup ensures better stability, especially when tackling rough terrains or jumps, providing a smoother ride with more control. Whether you're flying through the air or navigating tight corners, the KX500's handling is sharp and precise, making it a great choice for experienced riders who demand the best in both performance and control. Modern features and technology. Although the 2025 KX500 stays true to its roots as a two-stroke powerhouse, Kawasaki has integrated some modern features to enhance the riding experience. The bike comes equipped with a digital ignition system that helps optimize the engine's performance across various riding conditions. This system helps provide better throttle response, smoother power delivery, and improved fuel efficiency. Additionally, the KX500 features improved braking performance, with larger front and rear disc brakes that offer superior stopping power, especially in high-speed situations. Combined with the modern suspension and chassis, these upgrades contribute to the bike's overall performance and safety. Racing DNA. As with its predecessors, the 2025 KX500 is built with racing in mind. The bike's lightweight design, powerful engine, and precise handling make it an excellent choice for professional motocross and off-road riders. Kawasaki's commitment to creating race-winning machines is evident in the KX500 EY design. With every component engineered for maximum performance, whether you're competing in motocross events or simply testing your limits on challenging tracks, the 2025 KX500 is ready to deliver the ultimate riding experience. Its ability to handle high-speed corners, jumps, and technical sections is unmatched in its class. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is expected to hit the market at a competitive price point, making it an attractive option for serious motocross enthusiasts. While the exact pricing will depend on the dealer and location, it's expected to offer great value given its powerful engine and advanced features. The bike is expected to be available in select dealerships by mid-2025, so if you're looking to get your hands on one, it's a good idea to contact your local Kawasaki dealer for the latest availability and pricing. Conclusion: the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is a thrilling return to form for one of motocross's most iconic bikes. With its legendary two-stroke engine, revamped suspension, and modern upgrades, it promises to deliver an adrenaline-pumping ride for riders who crave raw power and exceptional performance. Whether you're racing on the track or tackling tough trails, the KX500 is ready to conquer it all. Thanks for joining us here at Bike Zone. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all things motorcycles. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching Bike Zone, your one-stop channel for everything motorcycle. Until next time, keep riding.